#1 in the business.
Hey, my name's Mike Wishman. We're here at Battle at Prim 2017. It's Friday today. We qualified. Sounds like we qualified second, so pretty stoked about that. I'm driving tomorrow, and my race partner is driving Sunday.
Yeah, I'm driving day 2. My name is Anthony Perucci. Hoping to get this Freeman Motorsports car around in one piece. We want to thank B&H Construction, Diamond Concrete Cutting. We also want to thank PCI, Heatwave, Wicks Racing, Daniel Foltz. You know, everyone that helps us get here, especially our crew, the T-Baggin guys, the Freeman Motorsports guys, we call them Freebaggin. You know, without all these people behind our backs, we wouldn't be here doing what we do for sure.
What happened? You fell over? I put it on the side in the infield. And then were you just right behind me right there? Yeah. You caught up to me. Nice work.
impressed by this, they rip it, flip it, but these are just triplets. Flip the street, replenish 3 books to a light, it's just wrong tree divided. I'm the kind of guy who takes every moment he knows he can find it in music to use it for others to use it. You're dead, cause how could you sleep in a time like this? Life is up here, but your comment below, and the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though it's come from this moment. But you and I know it gets better when one they find the reasons 10 together we're losers. Remember the future, remember the moment is when it is dead. Release me from the present, I'm obsessing on these questions. Why I'm in denial that they tried their suicidal session. Please use discretion when you're messing with the message, man. These lyrics aren't for everyone, only if you understand. Please use discretion when you're messing with the message, man. These lyrics aren't for everyone, only if you understand. My people singing, my people singing, my people singing.
Started on the second row. Started, I believe we started third in the inside. Took off. The dude that started next to me, Matt Miller, he got by me, and I knew that I had to stay within a minute of him to keep him for time on the weekend. So I just hung behind him the whole time. I was cruising, could see his lights the whole first lap. Second lap, I got out onto the core track, and I looped it out in the last turn before the big tabletop. They were just putting some water down, and I went in a little too hot. So I looped it out, and Justin Wallen and Ford got by me, and then the third lap I chased Ford down, got by him, which is pretty sad because he's got a really fast direct injected motor, and this 2.2 went right by him on the straightaway. So I'm pretty pumped on that. I caught Justin Wallen, and then I screwed up one more time and looped it out again, and he just kept going, and I just set a cruising pace at that point to just make sure we could solidate ourselves a good podium spot. And I think we got fourth for the weekend, maybe third, but I can't complain about this Freeman Motorsports, B&H Construction, Diamond Concrete, Mickey Thompson Tire, Patrick Signs, Class 10 car. It was a lot of fun today, a lot of fun. I got to thank my partner Mike Bushby too, because he set me up today with a third place finish yesterday, and I tried to back it up, but I made a mistake. Woo!